also a reminder that real sacrifice is not just about slaughtering an animal. It's about sacrificing our pride, ego, bad habits, and disobedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My dear friends, let's celebrate not only with food and fun, but with faith, kindness. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? I hope that you are on cloud 9. I'm also on top of the world today by the blessings of compassionate Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today is a very special day, Eid ul-Adha 2025, right? It's a day of sacrifice, devotion, and unity among the Muslim Ummah. And it's a day to remember the sincere submission of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, my God, and the obedient heart of his son Ismail alayhi salam. A reminder that a true faith lies in complete trust and obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By the way, I was about to go to visit the rooftop, but the gate is locked, so I am forbidden to go inside. As a result, I'm not able to show you the beauty of this beautiful rooftop. By the way, I will show you the Dhaka city because I have to go somewhere. Yes, I will continue making the video sitting on the rickshaw. Thank you very much. Stay connected with me. I'm going to talk about Eid ul-Adha 2025. It's a time when Muslims across the wall of our Qurbani, remembering that nothing we own is truly ours. Everything belongs to Allah. It's a time of sharing meat, food, care, for the needy, and strengthening our bond of family. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our sacrifices, our prayers, all the gifts on this blessed day. May Allah purify our hearts, forgive our sins, and unite us in peace and harmony on this blessed day. Eid ul-Adha, also known as the festival of sacrifice, teaches us that Islam is not just about ritual, it's about deep sincerity and love for our Creator. Have you sacrificed an animal? Did you offer your Qurbani? Have you done your Qurbani? Let me know in the comments. Definitely for the sake of Allah and for sharing. Stay safe, stay kind, and keep your heart connected.